2 or 3 phone guys, back again on another video. It's got a brand new GoPro, so hopefully there's some good content. I'm about to do a lot of POV type videos. It's got a quick little package. It got a $1,000 package. Some phones, I don't remember what phones I got because it's been a while. So I think 2 or 3 days since I got this package. I've just been really busy, so really haven't had time to unbox it. Also, I just been waiting for this GoPro, so let's just get straight into it. Let's see if I can open this because I forgot to get my scissors, but let's see. Let's need some. Let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, I forgot. So what's this? Oh, so my guy, I forgot, he ended up throwing in these iPods. I never dealt with these. He had these, but he didn't really know what to do with these. Let me try to get this open. I've seen these before. I just never really dealt with these, so I'm not sure what these are. If you guys know, I know obviously there's some older iPods. These look kinda newish though. Not newish. I don't know. These are strange. We got a pink one, green one, and then this you could tell is definitely an older one. But what charge? I don't know. This cracked right here too. If you can see it a little bit, I don't know if you can tell. This one's cracked a little bit, but this one's pretty fine. But what charging port is this? I can't. Is that the newer one? I don't know. I'll take a look into it. So I got these 3 untested iPods. I got this. Let's open. Now this is sealed. It's a SE3, the new one that came out in 2022. Brand new, sealed, but it is bad ESN, I believe. So I'm not gonna open this right now. We're just about to go. Oh, there's another iPod. Yeah, a whole mix of different iPods. The older one as well. This one's got a little weight to it. 4 gigabytes. I'll look into it, but also if anyone just knows, leave a comment or something. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty interesting. But let's get into the phones for right now. So yeah, like this one, this package right here is a little light. I normally at least get $5,000, you know, worth of phones and stuff, but this one's just a little light package that I had to get. But I also, when I got the list from my supplier, I took a small amount because on that list a lot of the phones are older ones, but I ended up taking them afterwards. So that's another video I'll do specifically, probably just for older phones, you know, because those ones are just older phones. A lot of 6S's, some 7s. I think I got them for a pretty decent price. A lot of them have issues, but I'll definitely make a video on that for next time. So let's see. There are a couple 8s. Oh, these ones are iCloud locked. Let me put them separately. There are 8 MDM cracked. No, not cracked, just scratches. Regular 8 is cracked. Put this over here. What's this? 7 MDM cracked badly. Look at that. It's pretty bad. Put this over here. We got a 6S 32 MDM. What's this? iPhone 8 MDM. So a good amount of little MDM ones. iPhone 7 128 with a rattle issue. So I'll put this over here. Another 6S 32 decent condition. It just needs to be cleaned a little bit. And another iPhone 7 MDM. Like I said in my other video, guys, the good thing about, you know, my supplier, it already comes with, you know, all the details and you know, what's wrong with it, battery health, IEMI, everything. So that's definitely a plus. Sometimes it is annoying, you know, if you just buy phones untested, you are gonna have to test it yourself, and that definitely takes time, of course. What's this? iPhone 6s 32 locked to Verizon, which is weird because normally after a month Verizon just unlocks them. So iPhone 7 MDM, iPhone 7 with I guess different unknown carrier, US carrier. I'll look into that. Another iPhone 6s MDM, and another locked Verizon, which, like I said, it's weird, guys. Normally I have a friend who used to work at Verizon. He told me that right after, I think, 30 days they unlock it. So it's pretty strange that it's still locked. iPhone 6s with a line issue. So put this over here. iPhone SE2 MDM locked to AT&T. I'll try to get that unlocked. Alright, so that's the last little bit. We got an iPhone XR for T-Mobile. XR T-Mobile cracked. I think it says, yeah, you can, I don't know if you can see that. I don't think it's shit picking up, but it's cracked right over here. Hopefully it picks it up, but if not, it's all good. iPhone 8 Plus MDM, iPhone XR MDM front screen cracked. Is it cracked? I mean, can't really tell. I see a really heavy scratch. Nah, we'll take a closer look into that. We got a 7 Plus MDM. A lot of MDM ones, majority. This one's a 7 Plus iCloud locked for parts. Another iCloud locked. 7 Plus MDM. And another iCloud locked. Camera test fails. So there's something wrong with the back camera, but 7 Plus 256 GB unlocked and no iCloud lock. I'll see what's wrong with that. And the last one, XR AT&T MDM. So I'll definitely try to get that unlocked. Alright, so let me do a quick count. See how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 phones in total. Oh, 31. Completely forgot about this one because it's sealed. And then these ones right here, these little iPods they were thrown in, so I didn't have to pay anything for these. So it's a cool little addition. So close to 35 items in total, and I spent about $1,000 on this. So not too shabby. I assume I'll make 20-30%, maybe even more. Who knows? Never really known, but 20%, I'll take it. Profit. This is a little batch, you know what I'm saying? So it's not, like I always say, it's not always about making the most money. It's about the quantity. Let's say you're making 200 bucks that y'all probably make off of this. If you do that multiple times a week, 200 bucks multiple times a week, multiple times a month, it adds up. In the long run, you spend a lot, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is a smaller amount. I normally get $5,000 worth of items. So if you do the math, you can imagine that there's definitely a good amount of money to be made. So yeah, guys, it's 2 or 3 phones. It's a quick little video showing you guys what a small little unboxing is. You know what I'm saying? I'll definitely make more videos in the future about, you know, getting bigger unboxings, normally like a $5,000 ones, the ones I'll be getting. But I am working on a $1,000 reselling video to show you guys that if you don't have a supplier yet, if you work on it, still don't have one, and if you want to do some money, if you want to try and make some money in the meanwhile with the money lot method, the one I told you guys about, or something similar, just, you know what I'm saying, I'm working on a video right now, and it might take a while, but I'm about to show you guys it's easy to get this bread out there if you're serious. So you guys have a good one. It's been 2 or 3 phones. Y'all take care.